If your internet suddenly stops working and you see the error DNS server isn't responding, this quick fix should help. This works on both Windows 10 and Windows 11. First, click on Search at the bottom of your screen. Type Network Connections and open View Network Connections. Now, find the network you are using. This can be Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Double-click on it, then click Properties. Scroll down and find Internet Protocol version 4, IPv4. Double-click on it. Select Use the following DNS server addresses. For preferred DNS type, 8.8.8.8. For alternate DNS type, 8.8.4.4. Click OK, then OK again, and close everything. Your internet should now be working normally. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick PC fixes.
Rearrange them. Staying on pace, running the race. Life is a chase, I don't want a place. I wanna be first, work till it hurts. Dehydrated thirst till I'm in a hearse. High ambitions in the right mind can take you so far. It's like you lived a few lives.